What's up, parties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys one of my favorite ways to use rice water. As you can see, let's get right into the recipe. I am using 1/4 teaspoon amla powder. Amla powder is similar to gooseberry if you are familiar with gooseberry. So it's pretty much like gooseberry in a powder form. You could add it to smoothies. It's great for your hair if you're trying to accomplish having thicker hair. So I always have amla powder on hand. The next powder that I added to this is 1/4 teaspoon Moringa powder. Y'all already know that I love Moringa. I'm going to leave a link to all the Moringa benefits down in the description, so definitely give that a check. So I went ahead and I added some hot water to this, and I'm just mixing it, and I'm going to let that sit. Once I'm done making the amla powder and moringa tea, I go ahead and I prepare my aloe vera. So I go ahead and I cut off the spikes, and I am pretty much going to be getting the gel from the inside. When getting the gel out, be sure to not leave any of the green leaves on there. You only want the white substance. Try your best not to leave any green leaves in there so that it gets caught in your hair. So after I'm done taking out the gel from the aloe vera, I go ahead and I blend this with 1 tablespoon water. Okay, now for the good part, combining all these goodies together. So I'm going to combine the moringa and amla powder tea with the aloe vera. So I'm just going to go ahead and strain out the moringa and amla powder tea just to get those chunks out, because you don't want those chunks in your hair. So I'm just straining it out. You could use a strainer, you could use a cheesecloth, whatever you have on hand. So right here, I am going to be combining the aloe vera. And this is just going to make it so much better. If you haven't tried it, definitely give this a try and thank me later, because I have been using this for over a year and I love it. Y'all know these are like my favorite things to use. And one of those days I was just like, you know what, let me combine them and let me see the results. And the results, as you can see, my hair is flourishing, my hair is thick, my hair is long. So definitely give this a try and let me know how it works for you, because it has been working great for me. And I know that a lot of people say rice water on its own dries out their hair. Really give this a try and see if it works for you too. So right here I'm just adding some rosemary oil, and I'm going to be adding, you could add whatever your favorite conditioner is. You could just add some, not a lot. So I'll probably say probably 2 tablespoons of your favorite conditioner, and just mix it up in there. And I went ahead and blended because I wanted it to be a nice consistency. Okay, once I'm done blending it, I go ahead and I give it one last strain, and after that I am all done. You can go ahead and put it in your favorite spray bottle. Go ahead and shampoo your hair, rinse out the shampoo, spray this product on your hair, and then leave it sit for 20 to 30 minutes, and then rinse it out. And you can add your leave-in conditioner. You can style your hair accordingly. And that's pretty much it. Let me know how this works for you. It works great for me. Definitely let me know how it works for you. I'm sharing this secret with you guys. I hope and pray that it works for you too. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, definitely click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. You're gonna let that sit for 30 minutes to an hour, and then you go ahead and